I have this old banana I don't want to eat. What do I do with it? I know. Make cookies. Step 1. Mash bananas in a bowl with a spoon. Step 2. Add oats and mix. Keep adding oats until you have a nice lump. Step 3. Add your variation. Here, I added walnuts. Chocolate chips, raisins, peanut butter, and cinnamon are great too. Step 4. Place on a baking sheet. Parchment paper works best, but I'm out of it, so tin foil will do. Bake in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 minutes, give or take, until cookies are golden brown on the outside. And serve. I like to have mine with milk. Enjoy! These cookies are high fiber from the banana and oats, moderate in protein from the oats, and nuts and milk if you add them, high in potassium from the bananas and milk, moderate in omega-3 fatty acids from the walnuts I used, and high in unsaturated fats from the walnuts and other nuts if you add them. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate it if you like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like this.